Hi! Not a long time ago, maybe like 4 days ago, I was watching the Astro Backyard channel here on YouTube. I saw his review about this ORION QUEST XT8 and he said that it was a really good telescope for a beginner. I put some money in this because I really wanted these. I'm very excited. I'm gonna open this and I wanna see how it looks. It's like 9 p.m. and I'm still gonna put all this together because I really want to see something tonight. So here we go. I think I have to put it on the floor. Ooh, look at that! Look at that monster, man. When I thought of buying my first telescope, I thought that it was going to be something like tiny. My first one had to be a good one. I don't even know how good this is, but he said it was good. He seems to be like really good on what he does. I bought this because I thought that his review was very honest. It wasn't like, I'm getting paid for this. It was like a nice review. I'm very excited to see what's out there. The instructions manual. I feel like a kid right now. He said that we need a screwdriver, but I don't know for what will be the screwdriver. Alright, let's read the manual.
So this comes with a free Starry Night Special Edition astronomy software. Ooh.
Ricardo is like, what's going on? Why are you moving so late?
Yeah, you want to see it?
This is Daddy's new toy. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh. Oh, I thought it was going to be like metal. It is actually wood, but
Yeah, that's a good one.
I think I'm gonna keep the boxes though. Hey, what's up? There's another little one there. You know what? I wanted to wait until tomorrow to open it, but 4 days it's been enough. We're gonna put it together, so hang on. Okay, you're gonna help me now. We put everything together. This is how it looks like. It says that we are supposed to have a moon filter, and then when I opened the thing, it was just a little cup, but there was no filter. So now I have to read the description of what I bought from Amazon, and if so, I hope I don't have to buy one. We'll figure that out now. I don't know if this works without the filter, but we're still gonna try it outside in the backyard. So here we go.